welcome to another episode of Health Anusar, where we will cook together some really yummy healthy recipes. Today's recipe is another pot recipe, and this is lentils with vegetables, really healthy. And the best part again is you just need one vessel to cook everything, and that's one pressure cooker. So let's get straight into it.
So for this recipe we would need about 250 grams of lentils. I have just soaked them. You don't need to soak them overnight. The best part about these lentils is that they can be cooked without soaking, and they are whole and unprocessed. And along with that you would need some seasonal vegetables. I have taken here about 200 grams of yellow pumpkin. I have some carrots here, which is about 3 to 4 small carrots. I have some peas. Okay, they were frozen. I had frozen them when I had access. You would need 3 finely chopped tomatoes, 1 finely chopped onion. You would need some ginger. I have a little bit of ginger here. Then I have 2 thinly sliced chilies. I have taken some celery leaves. I have some cloves of garlic, and for the masala I am taking whole coriander, jeera, some whole mustard seeds, 1 whole moti elaichi. Along with that I will be using turmeric and some garam masala. And you can use your favorite oil for cooking, and you would just need 1 teaspoon. So let's get straight into making it. Now for cooking I am going to take a teaspoon of coconut oil here. Now to this I am adding all the khada masala, which is the coriander, the jeera, the mustard leaves, mustard seeds, and I'm gonna let this pop for a second. Once you start hearing the crackling of seeds, then the next thing to add is a teaspoon of garam masala. And I'm gonna add my haldi also now. I'm just adding a little bit, like 2 pinches of haldi here. Let it again cook for some time. I'm gonna move it and let the masala cook for some time. Next I'm adding to this is ginger and green chilies, and then we will put the onions in, and now I'm gonna fry them till they become light golden brown. And once the onions are golden brown, next we'll add our tomatoes of the vegetables. Last thing to go inside is the lentils. I'm gonna add some water to top it up. Yeah, that should be good. Add some salt as per your taste, and now we'll let it pressure cook for 15 minutes or about 4 to 5 whistles. And looks like this is done. Yeah, everything's properly cooked, and now it's time to eat. And I'm going to finish it with some celery leaves on top. I'm just gonna stir them to release the flavor. And here we go. Our complete meal of vegan proteins and micronutrients is ready. Time to taste and see how it came out. Yummy. Perfect and very flavorful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did making it. For more such videos, keep watching HT Health Shots, and I shall see you next time in another episode with another recipe. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, and eat good but health anusar. I'll see you next time.